Hello everyone, hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Today I'm here to show you a simple R program that I've written to do image compression using PCA. What is PCA? Principal Component Analysis. It's a dimensionality reduction technique without losing any variance of the data. Here, for doing the same, I'll run through my code what I have done here. So for doing the same, we need a few of the libraries such as library PNG, library JPEG, library utils, dimension PNG and JPEG are for identification and working on the JPEG and PNG file format images, and utils for giving us pop-up and a GUI interface. Image compression is the name of the function that I have written, and the function takes three inputs, that is source, destination, and number of principal components. The source is the source folder from which the image we have to take and get compressed, and the destination folder is where we have to store the uh, path of the destination where we have to store the compressed images, and end component is the number of principal component that the user is specifying to get the image compressed. So getting into the function. So first what thing we will be doing, we are setting the working directory to the source path that the user has specified. And once we are getting into that, the working directory or the source file will identify the images or the image files from the rest of the files using the file format as PNG and JPEG and JPG, which are the mainly the image files that comes in, and we store those file names into a separate small a list which can be used for the further during the code. As we can see, the I have stored all the images into a file called C, which contains all the image files. And now one by one we will do a operation according to the file. So once if it is a it is image is in a png format, we'll read it in we use the function read png. If the image in jpeg format, we use the function read jpeg. Once the image is being read, we'll split the images into the three colors, that is red, blue, red, green and blue. As we can, as you most of us will be knowing that any color, these three combination of colors can be used to build any color. So we'll be having three matrices here. Each matrix, that is red for red color, green for the components in the matrices or the values for the green color, and blue for the blue color. So what we'll be doing is we'll separately doing principal component for each of the colors. And how are we doing the principal component? We can use the function prcom that is inbuilt in R. We'll be using to find the PC of each of the colors. Then what we'll be doing is we'll be multiplying in those principal components with the original transpose of the original matrix to get the reduce the compressed images. That is like we I will know compressed images. Now once we get the compressed images, we need to do pixel correction, as we can as the master of the value should be within 0 and 1. At times you will be getting values that is less than 0 and greater than 1, which is going to create a distortion in the image. So we do pixel correction to bring everything in the value within 0 and 1, for each of the color red, green and blue. So once we are done that, we will be saving it in the same saving in the file in the destination folder that the user has specified, as giving it the same name as that it was given in the source folder, but in a compressed way. So all the png file will be written as in the png format, and the jpeg file be in the report format. And once the code has been executed, it will ask us to whether we have to delete the original file that was present in the source folder or not. That the user can specify whether they want to delete it or not. Now that's it, the function. Let's run the function and see whether it is working. The function has run. Now let's see the source and destination folder, how it is being there. These are my source folder images, and my compressed image folder which is empty. We have this two paths. Now I'll be calling the function to see whether I can do that. So the code is asking to enter the source folder. Now we'll be entering. I have already stored it in another file. Now enter the source folder. Number of principal components need to be taken. I'm giving it as 100. Now enter the destination folder. I also stored the destination path already. And the code is running. It might take a few seconds because a couple of images. Oh, now the program has been done and it is asking whether I have to delete the original images or not. I'm giving no. Okay, now let's see whether the images are created in the destination folder or not. Voila! I can see the compressed images in my destination folder. So the function is working and the images has been compressed. I hope my video is making useful inferences to everyone who is using PCF for image compression. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.